Hi, I'm Sharon, and this is part 2 of a Gmail Mini Audit series where I'm sharing some steps to help you notice and gently clear some space in your inbox. So back in part 1, we looked at the 5 different types of emails that could be cluttering up your inbox. And today we're going to look at one part of Gmail that seems helpful until it quietly becomes chaotic. So I'm talking about Gmail labels and how to spot whether they're helping or just hoarding. So I think labels are one of the best features that Gmail has. But over time, we can end up with too many or ones we never use, and that just adds more and more noise to our inboxes. Now, if you've ever scrolled through your sidebar wondering what half of those labels even mean, then this is your sign to follow this quick audit. And here it is. I want you to open up your Gmail and look at your labels down the left-hand side of your page, and I want you to ask yourself the following questions. Number 1, do I still use these labels? Number 2, are any of them confusing or unclear? Number 3, are there labels with no emails in them at all? If there's any in there that you haven't even touched for months, then I'm sorry, but that's not a system, that's inbox clutter. But here are a couple of small changes that could make a big difference. Number 1, rename a label that doesn't make sense anymore. Give it a simple name so you'll know instantly what type of emails will be in that label. Number 2, hide labels that you don't use that often. So instead of them being visible in that top section of your label list, they'll be under the More option at the bottom. And don't worry, you can always bring them back to the top section again if you need to later on. Number 3, delete any that are completely empty, because you obviously don't need them anyway. Now, you only need to tweak 1 or 2. This is not a full spring clean, it's just a quick check-in to get you to notice what's not working anymore. And if you're unsure about where or how to even start using labels, then I've linked to a full video tutorial in one of these corners above me here. Sometimes just seeing that you can tidy up your inbox gives you a bit more confidence and momentum to keep on going. And remember, you don't need the perfect label system. You just need one that works for you right now. So, what did you notice when you looked at your labels? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And if you'd like a helping hand with clearing up the rest of your inbox gently and step by step, I've got a mini course that I've linked to in the description below that can guide you through it without any overwhelm. Thanks for watching, and well done for taking one more step toward a calmer inbox. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.